Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be looking at, unboxing the live action Lion King CD soundtrack. Here we have the package. That wasn't a good rip. That's better. Now I'm hoping that the CD isn't cracked, because obviously CD cases are notorious for cracking, and this doesn't seem to feel like it has had much packaging. Let's take a look. I think we're in the clear. So there is the front. Very nice artwork. Disney The Lion King original motion picture soundtrack. We have 19 tracks on this CD. And there's the back. So we are going to unwrap it. I thought it was cracked. Don't know if you can see that. There's sort of little divots there, but I think that is part of the CD case. Let's try and get into it. Aha. Right. Let us open the CD, and we're greeted to the CD there with some, when I say artwork, it is brown, matching, I suppose, the colour theme of the booklet. And we have some artwork there, which I presume is Mufasa and Simba. Again, very nice. And then we have the little booklet here, which looks like it's got several pages to it. Always a bit of a knack to remove said booklet from the case. It looks like there's a slight, I don't know how well this is going to pick up, slight nick there. I didn't do that. Here we go. So let's have a look and see what we have here. Do we have lyrics? We have a letter, I suppose, from Hans Zimmer. So I won't read all. And what do we have here? Circle of Life. So we have lyrics to the Circle of Life. There's some artwork there. And then, what's these other bits? So 2, Life's Not Fair, 3, Rafiki's Fireflies. No lyrics there. Maybe there were no lyrics for those songs. I can't recall. You also have I Just Can't Wait to Be King and Be Prepared. Again, lyrics and some artwork there. Hakuna Matata. The Lion Sleeps Tonight. Very nice. Can You Feel the Love Tonight? Okay, we have in the middle, scene of Pride Rock there. Very nice. Spirit. We have Remember. And Never Too Late. There's Rafiki there. He Lives in You, and I don't think I can pronounce this. Mboob. No. I'll let you pronounce that. And it looks like we've got credits there as well. And more credits. And then that's obviously the back. You've seen the front. So there we have it. A nice booklet there. Shame about the little scuff. I don't think I'll do anything about that. I mean, this cost me, I think, just under £4. And this film came out, well, several years ago now, 2019. Wow. Wow. But there we have it. The Lion King. That will add to my other Lion King CD that I have for the original animated film. But there we go. That's it for this video. So if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe. Let's see if I can get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. a great milestone to achieve, no doubt. Until next time, thanks for watching.